Most visitors have traveled to India not only to enjoy the sights and vibrant country, but also for its healthcare and medical treatments. That may be because healthcare is inaccessible either because of poor infrastructure or very high medical cost. Medical tourism is basically traveling to a place to get medical treatments, and in India, it is expected to get a boost due to greater awareness of alternative medicine. Better facilities are likely to increase the influx of people to the country in this year. So here are some of the best destinations for medical tourism in India. Recent survey estimates that about 40% of the people choose Chennai for high quality treatment with low cost. Chennai receives about 200 foreign patients daily. In addition to heart surgery, orthopedics and other medical procedures and treatments are also given here. Chennai is also known as the health capital of India. Most popular treatments like alternative medicine, bone marrow transplant, cardiac bypass, eye surgery and hip replacement are carried out regularly in some of the best hospitals in Chennai. Mumbai is the fastest growing medical destination in India. There are many specialty hospitals and diagnostic and research centers for weight loss surgery, cosmetic surgery as well as orthopedic surgery. Mumbai is also known for its reviving yoga and Ayurveda treatment. Goa is considered as the top vacation destination of India, but it is also growing as a medical destination these days. There are many specialty hospitals that attract the international patients. Goa is famous for surgeries like heart bypass, hip replacement and spinal fusion. Goa government also supports the various health and wellness tourism centers available in the state. India's capital city, Delhi, has numerous award-winning hospitals like Fortis Hospital, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, Apollo Hospitals and many more. These and other private hospitals specialize in neurosurgery, heart surgery, eye surgery, joint replacement and general surgeries and treatments. Bangalore is known for its industrial commercial growth. Some of the best hospitals in Bangalore boast of ultra-modern medical equipment which is on par with the best available in the world. Famous for stomach-related surgery, the doctors here perform complex surgeries with such brilliance and make them very less risky. So these were some of the best destinations for medical tourism in India. There are many more destinations like Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Vellore, Alleppey and Hyderabad. Besides medical tourism, India is also famous for its ancient practices like Ayurveda, yoga, naturopathy and allopathy, which serves like a complete health package for health tourism. Do check out my video on wellness tourism in India for more. Till then, keep watching.